You spoke out, obviously, against the administration's version of events in the Good shooting, and the White House came out after you did that, and they've told The Hill, I just wanted to quote for you, because this is just in response to what you said yesterday, that videos have debunked Ilhan Omar's lies. The ICE officer was clearly struck by Good's car. Omar should acknowledge the truth rather than lie about law enforcement and incite more violence against them. What is your response to them? And I guess as part of this, if it turns out that Good's car did bump the agent, right? If that happened, does that change anything about how you see things and the fact that this still shouldn't have happened?
I mean, it is the most BS statement, again, that the administration can put out. You see this officer clearly go in front of the car as she reverses. You see his hands on the car. You see his feet is very far away from the wheels of the car. So there was no possibility that he might have been afraid of getting hit by the car. And so it is a clear PR. It's a defense of a clear murder that we see on TV by the administration, and it is shameful, and it should not be acceptable. It's unconscionable, and I stand by everything that I've said.
Are you comfortable, though, with the word murder?
I am very comfortable with the word murder. There is no conscionable way in which you watch the video that the administration itself has produced, and you do not see this person, this officer. Not only does he shoot her in the face, but you see two more shots being fired on the side of the driver's window. There is no way to explain this.